much of that recorded. I'm hoping most of it did, but I don't know. I hope I didn't lose everything from when I left the house. That would have sucked. But we're through South Bend. And we're coming up on Mishawaka. Waka waka waka. Ooh, it smells like a wastewater plant. Not good. I don't think we're gonna go all the way to Elkhart. Man, I hope I didn't lose all this footage. If I did, I'm gonna be T.O. Oh well. If I did, then, you know, consider it a preview. It's just what I'm gonna do, is a Lincoln Highway type segment. Because, you know, why not? I think we're gonna look for the next main drag and start heading south. Start heading towards the bypass. Actually, yeah, we might head, I don't know, at least toward the bypass. Maybe the 6. I don't know. Maybe the 6. Fortunately, I really didn't find anywhere good to get a picture. Would have been nice. Okay, yeah, it's 331. We're good here. I know where I'm at now. This will take me to the bypass. Yeah, never really found a good picture spot. Oh well. There's always next time, right? Got to get this battery situation figured out, why it keeps, I don't know. Maybe I just have to get an 8. I don't know. Maybe. Thinking about it. What's your thoughts? Should I get the Hero 8? I'm still using a 6. Next weekend, I don't know how much time I'm going to have next weekend to film, unfortunately. God willing, I can take this thing to work at least once next week. Monday looks like it might be doable. Maybe. Hopefully. I don't know. Tuesday, I know they're calling for rain, but hopefully Monday. But I got somewhere to put my feet now, which is, you know, kind of nice. And stretch out like I'm in a recliner, you know, like a lazy boy. Yeah, so I got a couple options here. I'd like to do this Lincoln Highway series. I know one of the other guys on YouTube is doing his own Route 66 thing. I might do something coming from the north end. And, you know, I'll start up at the beginning at Michigan Avenue and westbound. I know it starts at Michigan and I think it's Adams, but I'm not sure. I know eastbound ends at Michigan Avenue and at Michigan Avenue and Jackson. I think it's Adams. I could be wrong. That's one thing about this thing is you don't realize that you're going 70 when you're going 70. Try hooking this thing up again. I don't know what happened. It's almost like it locked up for some reason on me. So, I don't know. I'm gonna get all these kinks figured out, hopefully, before my trip. So what do I need to do? You need to buy a new GoPro. I'm trying to remember if this is... I'm so waiting for the Plymouth Ponderosa to get the buffet back open. I want some of them chicken wings, and I haven't had flour, really, anything deep fried in a long, long time, but, Yeah, I know where I'm at. There's a gas station here. There's a Speedway. We'll go ahead and get some gas from the Speedway. Boom, boom. Alrighty. Anybody ever do that? Go to put the bike down and accidentally, you accidentally, you at? There you are. And you accidentally forget to put the kickstand down? Yeah, this guy did that once. It was not fun. Alright, we'll be back.
Several bad puns later.
Alright, we're back. If this is working. We'll see. Oh, God. I always forget about that. No, I don't need no stinking receipt. Alright, let's get back to the house. $218 miles. Alright, let's get to the house. Travel plans. Now, it's kind of loud. I don't know how well the audio is going to be here, but if it works, it works. As of now, the plan is my last day of work is the 10th of July. I will be leaving probably that night, but I don't know yet for sure. Get down somewhere to central or southern Illinois. Woo! It's windy. It's windy and it's gusty. If we can do that. If we can't, well then we'll leave Saturday morning. I'll say this much though, with these pegs, if I wasn't going to be swapping out the pegs for boards, I'd think about getting a set of those for this thing. They actually feel kind of nice. Get the toolies that are, kind of like mini footboards. They're like, I want to say they were like 6 inches wide or something like that, 5 inches wide. These are the highway pegs are the Kuriak and ISOs with the zero mounts. But yeah, if we can leave out Friday night, Friday afternoon, we'll get down to somewhere around probably between Lincoln and Springfield, Illinois. And then that Saturday, we'll get across St. Louis, probably all the way towards Joplin, maybe Tulsa. And then probably my guess is either Sunday night would either be Amarillo, or I'm trying to think what the first town you get into in New Mexico is. Is it Tucumcari? I don't know. I gotta look. And that would be Sunday night, and then Monday we'll get in to see my uncle. And then Tuesday just kind of hang out with him, I think. And he lives in kind of central Arizona, around Prescott, so. And I'm sure we'll do some riding that next day if he's off, or if not, well, we'll keep on going and get towards the coast. Get back up to 66 and get out towards coming into town. Kind of wish Saddleman would make a road sofa type seat. I mean, the Sundowner's not bad, but I mean, the foam is really starting to compress on it. I wouldn't mind on the way back trying to do an iron butt day, but I don't know if that's doable. No, we're back in St. Joe. We're not changing time zone yet. So, last thoughts about travel plans. Yeah, if we can get all the way to California, that'll be awesome. That would be, what, Saturday, Sunday, Monday to my uncle, Tuesday to LA area, Wednesday, hopefully back to Vegas. Then Thursday, probably either Green River, Utah, or Grand Junction, Colorado, one of the two. Thursday, that was Thursday. Friday, we'll get up towards Deadwood, Rapid City area, Sturgis. Man, I'll be back. And then depending on what we're doing, then that might be the day after getting to Sturgis or to Rapid City. That might be the iron butt we attempt. See how the weather is, see how we're feeling. Especially if we go down 9. Now, I'd like to go even further north and go up 94. Maybe go back past Little Bighorn. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. they've been having issues on the Indian reservations in southwestern Montana, or southeastern Montana, excuse me. So, especially when the virus went on, they were really having issues around Broadus and a few other areas. So, if that's the case, maybe we just keep going north on, is it US 85 I'm thinking of? Is the, we'll see. Alright, it's starting, the sun's starting to go down. It's starting to get chilly now. But yeah, so that was Friday would be the Iron Butt attempt. Get up towards, you know, I don't know, we might go up to the UP and up through Duluth. Might even come back down, depending on if Michigan's got their heads out of their you-know-whats. Might try to go through, I'm going to drop it here. I might try to cross the Mackinac Bridge and kind of do a Lake Michigan tour around the east side. Well, you know, around, yeah, the Michigan side. Well, a lot's going to depend on when the lockdowns start, you know, ending and stuff. If the lockdowns end, we can do a lot more than if they don't. If, you know, I think California is starting to open up a little bit, with a few exceptions like LA County and a few others. And then who knows what next year will be. Maybe we'll try to put something together where we, I don't know. Yep, but we'll figure out what's going to happen and go from there. Because at this point, a lot of this is play by ear. A lot depends on if we can get out Friday night. I mean, that's Friday. We'll plan on taking the truck and having the bike ready to go. So basically, as soon as I get home from work, it's hit it. It's 106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it. Name the movie. But anyway, y'all, I think we're going to cut it here, so y'all be safe. You know, in the words of the blockhead, you ride safe and stay vigilant, right? But y'all be safe. Remember to keep the shiny side up, the greasy side down, and we'll catch y'all on the flip-flops. Deuces.